Amunyele tengin nada itolo sete itogoi lude moriarto Mercury Pluto Venus Uranus Ceres Mars keda Jupiter nesi arai kano amunyele na isap keda pesur amunyele tena washa nesi dabu etogo loka Mercury itelekara Uranus gole diope kanu enoti kotoma doketait na isap kosodi Pluto telekar Uranus kotoma doketait na idwelu pesur
Gemlo mama rai na patana na rai idwen lu ipune to semenga rasbeno senior 1 senior 2 so arai na tuno no konye opota pesuro obika kisake sa gogong kede confidence to my temperature kesado rekwana penalties na sapedo kesi ai no monu chekwa na rago ngake sakipa
give him
amen
Elfaz Opolot ewalo Apolone Semero Lokongora High School ngese balebe esishak kesida ibusa kit anyunebe itodiarete Iponesio Ajokak kotoma Aboliak show.
The indiscipline in the game of football nowadays is no more. Fighting during the game, I saw some people were becoming emotional, wanting to fight. It's not the best in football. Why football? Football brings us together. We must show love for one another. After the game, we become one. And this should not be extended beyond here.
Ngora High School nesida abu itolot aina petan ngun kano aijililuna itimun lude pote abuaikin esemero kotoma bolobol naka districta Peter Okwi lode rai commissioner kotoma kiro nu Aboliak show Kongora High School nesite untebe itimun luda pedor asipokin kese pote asame jok kotoma airiamuna districta
Kongora High School last year was missing at the defending ecosystem. But I can't do okay rare I saw is young kopo. When you last year we rete pa keta kiso yangari. Well lana kapa kina sa nyakuni kopo. Nara chamu to me besa nyakuni kopo. Le pone tengi pone yaka sa. So ikamuntu ona zonal da. Giaru le district competition na ne ongora. Do fala jon kigene posting ayane ongora. Akaula ngeni sekuni timu ngongon. Le pota loso zone ate zone holder abo ngora abo beta is high host anwa ngona chamuntu kape host amse do dale marriage to this dale maro zone da 20 salo sai maka nationals
give him
amen
Geoffrey Milton Okuna Loda Erai Emani Manan Lo Isemeroi ko district alo Kongora ngesi lipit Aboliak kit aina petanu Aboliak show kwape ibore enebunia ngarakin case ko ingaren.
I have been entertained and I am seeing a good potential from you. So I will continue following you. I will be coming here even when you are training to watch you, because I want to see Ngora School winning in the district and in the sub-region.
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East ko district alo Kongora.